Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Ravichandran, an option strategist and technical trader with passion towards reading charts. Through this channel, I am sharing my technical analysis of stocks, commodities, currency and major global indices. Stay tuned to get detailed technical analysis of charts and powerful trading strategies. Let's learn and earn through this excellent wealth creation platform of technical trading. In this video, I am sharing technical analysis of Nifty for next trading week and monthly options strategy. Let's recap what happened last week. So I have mentioned in my last week Nifty outlook that 9130 is very important level, which is the breakout area of the triangle pattern, which I have discussed. And also I have mentioned resistance levels as 9510, 9605 and 9950. So none of them has been reached. And the support levels 8750, 8360 and 8055. So the support levels also Nifty was holding in the range. And also I have mentioned Nifty trend looks bullish if it breaks above 9325 and sustain. And the trend looks bearish if it breaks below 8935 and sustain. And so I have mentioned the breakout zones as 9500 to 600 and 8750 to 8600. This is 15 minutes chart of Nifty with last week's data. So if you see the chart, so every time when Nifty try to break 9325, it is facing a stiff resistance around these levels. And also on the downside, if you see that whenever Nifty try to break below 8935, so again it faced strong support and unable to sustain below these levels and came back again with the range of 8935 to 9325 throughout the last week. Coming to next week's analysis. So I was talking about the two possibilities in my past few weeks videos. The first possibility is a triangle breakout. So the breakout zone is 9130. So Nifty breached this level and it is holding this level last week and the previous week as well. So this level is very important in the coming week, whether Nifty is holding this level and trying to breach the previous week's high, or it is facing resistance around 9325 and coming back to the range. So that we need to wait and see. So on the upside, if this breakout continues, so we could see that there will be a good resistance on around 9500 to 600 and 9950 to 10,000. So on the downside, if we see that this breakout is a false one and if Nifty is unable to get strength and move forward, so then it may drag again to the lower levels with the immediate support at 8935, which is the range, and the next three support levels are 8750, 8360 and 8055. So if you look at the RSI, so it is below 50 and it looks like Nifty is lacking in strength. So we need to wait and see that whether Nifty is gaining strength and it is going past 9325 and 9385. So let's wait and see in the next week. There was another possibility, which is a bearish flag pattern. If you look at the Nifty daily charts, so Nifty is trading in the bearish flag pattern, which is almost on the verge of breakdown from this flag. In case if that happens and if the breakdown sustains, then we could see that the continuation of a downtrend towards the support zones one by one. And also if we see that we have so many gaps to be filled till 6985 to 7000. So in case if this downtrend gets intensified, we may see those levels as well in the coming weeks and months. On the upside, So in case if this flag pattern continues, if Nifty takes support from this lower end, it may travel towards the upper end of this flag pattern. So in that case, the resistance still remains at 9500 to 600, and the next resistance is around 9950 to 10,000. We need to wait and see that whether Nifty is going to travel in this flag pattern or in the triangle pattern. So in any case, so we are expecting a breakout in the coming week, hopefully. So let's wait and see. Coming to the technical levels for next week. So as I mentioned, so Nifty looks range bound with a range of 8935 and 9325. In any case, if Nifty breaks out from this range on the upside above 9325 or on the downside below 8935 and sustain for few sessions, then we may see there was a Nifty movement of at least 400 points from the breakout range. So if we come to the resistance levels, so the immediate resistance we could see is 9230 and then 9390 and then 9510, and on the downside the support levels are seen at 8935, 8750, 8360. As we are moving towards the end of the month, so next week might be a volatile move, and I am expecting a breakout in the coming week. So let's wait and see. I have shared a monthly option strategy for current April month 2 weeks ago. So I would like to share the current position. So the combination is one lot purchase of 30th April expiry 9000 put option at 410. Sell one lot 30th April 8500 put at 234. Sell one lot 30th April expiry 9500 call at 143. Buy one lot 28th May expiry 9500 call option at 295. If you see the current position, so we are at the loss of 3,450 rupees. So we still have 4 more days for this month to conclude. So I will update the final profit or loss in my next week's video. If this video is useful, kindly share to other traders. You shall subscribe to my channel, Technical Trader Ravichandran Gopalakrishnan. You shall also visit my blog for daily updates on global technical charts at ravi-charts.blogspot.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at Ravi Charts. Stay cautious, stay safe, happy trading. Thank you.